Is a broken update messing with your Xbox game or app? Here is how to delete it and fix the issue fast. Step 1. From your Xbox home screen, press the Xbox button to open the guide Navigate. Navigate to My Games and Apps, and then press on See All, and then press on Manage. Step 2. Scroll to the game or app with the broken update. Select it, then choose Manage Game and Add-ons. Step 3. Go to the Updates tab. If the update is stuck or corrupted, select it and choose Cancel or Remove Update. Step 4. Restart your Xbox, hold the power button for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 5. Reinstall the update, go back to the game, and then manage, and then select the check for updates to download a fresh copy. Optional. To clear system cache, go to settings and then press on device and connections, and then on Blu-ray, and then press on persistent storage. Then click clear. That's it. Your game should now update properly without bugs or crashes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.